You know that white static chamber? You know what that is?
Okay. Directions are having a hissy fit today. Damn. Holy shit. Okay, indeed I have. Confirm. Okay. Great. Let's go back. I went back in. That's funny. Okay. As I am unemployed, I have to, make ends meet somehow, even if that means like a few bucks and stuff here and there. So I have to sacrifice my car smelling like McDonald's in order to get some gas money. So yeah, around my area it's just not busy a lot. Like I'll get like 1 or 2 orders like every day, and then it'll just drop off and be like nothing. So, but hey, it's something. If you want to support my Patreon page, I post photos and videos and other things. Support my road trip adventures, link down in the description below. I also am selling my photography art and stuff like that on my page. So you can go check that link out as well. And Amazon affiliate links as well. Okay. We are just on the way to DoorDash someone some rolls in time for Thanksgiving. So, and it does not pay too bad. Just doing a little DoorDashing, Today is quite literally the worst day to go grocery shopping because everyone and their mother is last minute shopping for Thanksgiving food. So let's pray to God that I will even find them. Right. If I were Hawaiian rolls, where would I be? On a shelf in orange. Okay. Let's see. Thank you. Okay. Appreciate you. Thank you. Okay. All right. Take a photo of the receipt. Okay, I was gonna get gas, but an order came up and it was like 9 for like 3 miles, and I was like, where are we going? Okay, let's go get another order. Then let me shut my car off though. Sheesh. Okay.
Hi, waiting on a DoorDash?
Yeah.
Octavian?
Yes. All right, my truck is gonna smell like McDonald's. Hey, okay. That's okay. We'll roll down the windows. No problem. No problem. Woo! Bruh. Okay. Alright, alright. Okay. Got another one. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Phew, 27. Hey, almost half tank of gas. Speaking of gas, I need gas. I've only got 100 miles left on my car to go. Whoop. All right. Last one I just had to is quite a bit of money, although I have to drive 17 minutes, so it is what it is. But that's because of traffic, so let's be real, you know what I mean? We love traffic. Okay, this one last order and then we'll be done. Okay, let's go home and eat some pizza. Let's go home and eat some pizza.
Have my number, so let's pretend we shot the